All right, hello and hello. Hey there. All right, cool. We are in. Welcome back. I wanted to quickly and briefly do a stream showcasing the progress of Arthur Labs and all that good stuff. In the last few videos, I've been working more so on the website development as well as some client invoicing and portals and all that good stuff. Um, Currently, we have set up a list of changes that need to be done, and we are just waiting for Claude to make some changes. So here is what the website currently looks like. It's quickly changing. We have a home page going on over here. Here, I could probably get rid of that. Boom. So we have the briefing of Arthur Labs itself. We have a quick page for the agents where we have a loading state, as well as yeah, sorry, we are working on coding actively in the background, so there's probably going to be some changes. But we have Arthur Labs, create a loading screen. From there, we have a 3D background, which is not fully viewable. Still need to work on that. Control Shift R, hard refresh. There we go, and there we go. There we go, we have the backgrounds. So this is the website that we're working on at the moment, where you can see the agent stuff. We have an agentic section where agents can quickly scrape the website, see what we do, how we can get in contact, and all of that. I should probably get rid of my phone number there for the sake of privacy, but oh well. From there, we then have a navigation. Then we've built out a few small Easter eggs throughout the site. One very nice but subtle feature I wanted to showcase was this blurring effect from the top of the waves to the bottom, where you can see that changing effect. So we create two different, this is like a following blurb that connects to other blurbs, as well as a selected work in portfolio. One thing that's nice about this is that you can kind of drag either or, and you can also still click and do all that stuff. From there, we showcase the blockchains that we're in. I should probably make these clickable, which I'll work on, and then all the AI tools that we've used before. The AI tools, I feel like they're stuck to 9, it says, so I'm going to work on that a bit more. Something that I don't like is the height itself from the breaker of this component to the next page, which is the media itself. Media is pretty much all the documentation, all the paperwork, all that shit that we built. You can see all of our Spotify playlists coming here, and kind of where is it? What paper overviews? You'll see that we have some ratings, some episodes, and all that nice stuff. You can then see other podcasts too if you'd like, as well as a wall. So this is a small but not too important thing. We've created a little wall where people can interact with, and it kind of stays there for a while. It saves the pixels and then it re-renders later. I kind of like it. I'm not sure if it's just filler space really, but yeah. You could hold it down to erase, get rid of that. Boom. We could say boom, boom, boom. All right. What about we say hi? Hi. Do that. Go this way. And then we'll do, no, we'll go back over there. Go over here. Get out of it. Go back over to the bottom. And then boom. So it says hi. Cool. That's good. We'll brief on this. Anyways, it's not too important, but yeah, so you can kind of draw and do what you want. The next thing we have is the contact page itself. You see a little bit of an interactive background effect that renders right here, and then we have the final footer. So we have the main page set up. You can then see what we're working on. I don't like how slow this animation goes, but it's there. You see the main work that we've done, as well as AI that ships, all this nice stuff. You can see our process, so how we work. design report, meeting other minds, design architecture, wireframe, development, take feedback, all that stuff. And then lastly, the missions and the ecosystem. Throughout this, we have a bit more work on the full wall. The media showcases all of the presentations that we've done. I don't really like this scrolling effect, so I'll work on it a bit more later on. But we also have a few video demos, Spotify platform. And then somewhere we have, I don't like this footer. This is disgusting. We have a small merch section for this for the sake of filling up pages. A wonderful designer at Arnab Chakma was able to send that out. But it's just some designs that we've done. We'll give them some credit. We should probably get rid of the sizes section, ships from the US. We don't like that. And then the ecosystem. This is a cool part too that I'm trying to work on. Showcases you the navigation of our work. And then the vault. It showcases the track record. Gives us some cool video effects. I like that a lot. Yeah, that's awesome. Sweet. I didn't realize that existed. But yeah, essentially we have everything that we need. It's just a matter of making everything look nice, come together, add a little bit more color, and then making sure the navigation, direction of all this is good. So, a bit more to come. That's kind of where we're at. Yeah, just letting Claude work for a little bit, and we'll get back. So I've been working on a changes markdown list. That's kind of where I'm primarily doing my work. Then I personally need to work more on the asset wish list, which is a series of assets that we have that needs to go into the website itself. From there, then we have the ecosystem page, photo assets we need, media. So it's just a matter of taking some photos, uploading it, and pretty much updating the images. The next things that would be nice is making sure that we have all the navigation effectively, because we have and also getting rid of small text. I don't like that. Everything here looks fine and functional in my opinion, but it doesn't look award-winning really. Stuff like this, we don't need to open that. We'll probably keep that closed. I'm considering making some sort of better interactivity points throughout this page, but I'm just not sure yet. So, yeah, hope you guys enjoy the progress, and I'll see you guys soon. Just a brief video, so thanks for coming.